Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A03s and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar, and right in the middle we've got the timer. So let's tap on it, and here we've got four different options from which we can choose. We can obviously keep it turned off, but we've got also 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So I think I will pick 10 seconds delay, so let me tap on this option. As you can see, the icon changed slightly. Right now it is highlighted also, so we can so we know that we just changed it a little. So right now we can just tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, let's check another option, for example 2 seconds, shutter button, and the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 2. Obviously you can turn it off just by tapping on this off icon, and it just got back to its normal state, so it will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Samsung Galaxy A03s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.